For straighter, more accurate cutting in vertical and overhead applications, Makita has a solution with the 18V LXT Lithium-Ion Cordless Cutout Saw. It's designed to cut openings in the installed board, including drywall and plywood, and will cut up to 984 feet of half-inches drywall on a single charge using a 4.0Ah battery to help prevent damage to objects behind the board being cut. It has a short 1/4 inches stroke length with an adjustable blade depth up to 1 3/16 inches for improved dust extraction. The XDS01Z has a dust port with a clear dust box for increased visibility. It is ideal for cutouts and drywall repair applications. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Makita built variable speed motor delivers 0 to 6,000 strokes per minute for faster and more efficient cutting. Number 2. Designed to cut openings in installed board with an adjustable blade depth up to 1 3/16 inches. Number 3. Cuts up to 984 feet of half-inches drywall on a single charge using 4.0Ah battery BL1840B. Number 4. Short 1/4 inches stroke length with adjustable blade depth helps prevent damage to objects behind the board being cut. Number 5. Clear dust box for dust containment with increased visibility for operator convenience. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.